Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 2. Just yesterday I made a video on this, and I want to make it look like it's going around and behind. So really pretty easy. I am going to, if we select everything, we got two objects. We're going to take a rectangle and just make sure you get all of the front font, and then select it all again, and we have three objects. Just go up here to intersect. What that did, that intersected that part of the word. Now it's a rainbow color because it took it out of there. So we're going to right click and make it all black. Now we're going to take the text itself, go up to Object, Order, Backup Page. We're going to take away our rectangle and we're going to nudge this right back. And now it looks like it's wrapping around this Corel balloon. Pretty neat effect. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.